So we're introducing today the new thread sealant from DEKS. It's a liquid sealant in a new pump device container, which makes it a lot easier to apply the liquid to the actual thread. So what we're doing here is just a few shakes, squeeze it, liquid comes out, rotate your fitting, easy as that. Screw that on, and then it just eliminates the use of, so you can almost do that by hand, and then just a nip up. Wipe the rag and excess liquid. And this can reach temperatures up to 150 degrees. So great product, DEKS.